Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. If you can see right there, then you know I'm pretty excited about this too. Alright guys, so this is a basic breakdown of what I got. So I got a Team Wendy bump helmet. This is just a regular one, not the carbon fiber shell. I don't have that type of money yet. And it came with a helmet bag over here, and it came with this rail kit. So you can see there's some shock cord, more rail, and there is a sticker underneath as well. And then, so this came with the helmet. It's one of the options that you can choose. And then this I got extra. This is a multicam cover here that's mesh, and it looks like there's some glue, sticky pieces, and like some instructional guide. So one thing that drew me towards getting a bump helmet is that sometimes in the types of training environments that I do, I don't need to wear a Kevlar, and that will definitely help with my neck, because a bump helmet is basically I don't want to dumb it down and say it's a better bike helmet that has rails and night vision mounts and stuff, but to my knowledge, that's what it is. If not, you know, somebody go in the comments below and educate me, let me know. I'm all about using this platform to teach others and to learn and grow myself as well. But yeah, definitely helps with my neck. My neck always has hurt from wearing Kevlars for extended periods of time, and especially running old school nods where you don't have battery packs in the back, such as PVS 7s. Definitely makes if you've worn night vision devices before, it definitely makes it front heavy, you know, not having that weight balanced out. But yeah, the Team Wendy comes with a Wilcox mount, so you can put whatever other stuff you want in there. Has rails on the side, and I believe this cut up here is so you can put earmuff accessories on there, and there's Velcro on the back. And the one thing I really liked about these, it has this little boa piece. So basically this goes under the base of your skull, and you push it in, and then you hear that clicking, that's tightening this piece down underneath the back. And then to loosen it, you just loosen it out, and then you can just pull out this cord here. But yeah, super good helmet. I'm not a fan of the old school clips, but these are all reliable. I do like how hard-headed veterans, they have that magnetic piece. If they could mesh that with this, I think that works super well. But yeah, my plan for this, since you see from the lighting in this box, there's a little bit of shine still on it, so I might sand this down with some really fine sandpaper just to remove some of that glint. And then I'm gonna put this mesh cover over it, and that should be it. But this would be really helpful on those operations where I don't need ballistic protection. Again, bottom line is to protect my neck. You only have one body, take care of it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe, guys.